Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to show you step by step how you can enable, install and use the PrivacyWall extension in the Chrome web browser really quickly to make PrivacyWall, for example, your default search engine here on Chrome. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to PrivacyWall.org, and here on the homepage you will see this button in the top right corner, Get Secured Today. So click on it, and after that you will be redirected to that section here where you see all the supported devices as well as web browsers that use PrivacyWall or are compatible with PrivacyWall. So you may simply select Chrome as your desktop browser extension, and after that you'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store where you can install the PrivacyWall search engine as an extension by simply clicking on Add to Chrome here. After that, confirm by clicking on Add Extension here, and after a brief moment, PrivacyWall will be installed as an extension to your Chrome web browser. So to access the extension, simply click on that button in top right corner, Extension, and select PrivacyWall from that menu. You may also pin it so that you don't have to access that menu in the future anymore by clicking on that pin icon here. That is going to pin PrivacyWall. So if I click on that extension icon here, I will be redirected to the home page of PrivacyWall so that you may use it here as your search engine by typing in your search term here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.